Once I did it, the person I thought of almost instantly was you. I was like, she's going to love this.
I am so honored. And you were so right because it has genius written all over it for sure. Hey everyone, welcome to my home kitchen. This week's genius recipe started out as a hack for faster egg salad where you don't have to peel any of the eggs, but it turned out that it's actually an even more delicious form of egg salad, and it's just a great way that we should all start eating our eggs. I heard that squeak again. What's going on? This technique comes from Aki Kamizawa and Alex Talbot over at Ideas in Food. And if you like the sound of it so far, it would be a great time to hit like and subscribe so that you can get all of the genius recipes from people like Aki and Alex. And we're going to be talking to them in a couple seconds. I am going to start cracking these eggs. This is not how we normally start our egg salads, is it? So I'm gonna crack these eggs and I will meet you back here after we see some highlights of my conversation with Aki and Alex, and we will make this genius, very fast egg salad recipe. See you in a few.
I really like egg salad.
He loves egg salad, and he doesn't get it enough.
I do not get it enough, and part of it is because
He won't make it himself.
I won't make it for myself. I don't like peeling eggs, and everyone's got 1,000 ways to peel an egg, right? And
Even we do, right? We have the steamed eggs.
yeah, we've got 1,000 ways to peel an egg, but guess what? None of the ways actually work 100%.
Mm-hmm.
Like you're gonna get eggs, and you're like, and then you got here you crack an egg, you cook it, and you cut it up, and you dress it, and you got awesome egg salad. The other cool thing is you get warm egg salad, and warm egg salad is delicious.
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
Okay, we're gonna cook some eggs. It's gonna happen really fast. Putting in some butter. This technique is very, very loose. It can be modified to however you want your egg salad to be. It can also be just trimmed back to the most bare bones version of it. Mike and I, camera person Mike and I, have had this recipe in its barest form for dinner more nights in the last couple weeks than I care to admit. I want to 3, 4, a lot of nights. So the most bare bones version of this is you fry some eggs, you snip them up with some scissors, and you mix in some mayo. But in this version, which I believe Aki posted to their blog at Ideas in Food, you quickly fry up some ham and onions first. So, come here, ham and onions. So that the onions get soft and the ham gets a little bit crispy. And then your eggs will go in. Even Aki and Alex make this differently. Aki likes hers a little bit softer and runnier in the yolks, and Alex likes his to be fully cooked, more like an egg salad traditionally would be. So you can really cook this however you want. I think this is looking pretty good. It's smelling very, very good. The onions are softened. The ham is getting a little bit crispy on the edges. And now I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit because that is the one thing that I've done repeatedly is I get my heat really high because I really want crispy ham, and then I dump in my eggs and they cook a little faster than I would like. And sometimes I want them yolkier and they refuse to be yolky on me. So turned it down a little bit. I'm going to very gently try to pour these in. Ooh. That was exciting. I haven't tried using this bowl for pouring. It actually worked really well. This is because when I have just cracked them each individually, by the time that I get a few eggs in, the first one is close to done. So it's good to pre-crack, pour them all in at once. I salted. I'm going to cover them so that they steam at the same time as they're frying and hopefully are getting heat from both sides so they'll cook evenly. And then they'll be done in, I don't know, a minute. My eggs are almost done, so I'm gonna get my bread toasting. I don't have a toaster. So I broil my bread and try not to burn it. And I promised I wasn't gonna show toasting the bread, but there we have it.
Are we ready?
Not quite, but we can take a peek. You wanna take a peek?
Have a peek.
Okay, have a peek. They're not quite ready, but they're getting closer.
And you just use regular chicken eggs?
Yes.
People never talk about that. They never really know.
What other eggs would you think it would be?
I don't know, there's ostriches, they lay eggs. Platypus lay eggs.
Oh, wow.
That's all I can think of.
Yeah.
You never know.
Well, I can vouch they're not platypus eggs. A little on the dark side. It's all right.
There's a second chance to get it right.
And a second chance to get it wrong. Oh, speaking of. Come here, you. All right, that is looking like it has jiggly yolks. Let's see, firm whites, yeah. Wow. Okay. We're good. So, this is so fun. All the eggs just slide out together. It's kind of made a little omelet, actually. Okay. And now you wouldn't want to chop up potentially runny yolks on a cutting board and have to scrape all that yolk back up. So just go at it with some scissors and chop it all up right in your bowl. Ooh, yeah, there's some good yolk in there. You can chop this up as much or as little as you want. I'm leaving it kind of chunky because you can also kind of finish with your spoon. Assuming the eggs are soft enough. Okay. Now, Aki likes hers with some chopped onion and some chopped celery, but you can leave them out. You can put in your favorite egg salad ingredients. What are your favorite egg salad ingredients? I would really love to know. Please tell me in the comments because I'm a little bit of a newbie to egg salad myself. I kind of avoided it most of my childhood. One for you, one for me.
Oh.
Garnish. Celery leaves because we put celery in it. That'll happen so fast that our other small tester is not here right now. So it's just me and camera person Mike. That is delicious. It is unlike any egg salad you probably ever had because you can eat it warm, which is a pretty spectacular feeling. It has all of the great things about fried eggs and all of the great things about egg salad combined in one, and you can have it extremely quickly. If you would like to hear more of my conversation with Aki and Alex and hear how their brains work and come up with stuff like this, it's on the Genius Recipe Tapes this week. It'll also be linked down below in the show notes. I would also really love to know what you would do with this basic idea. I need more ideas now that I'm making it 4 times a week. Thank you. See you in 2 weeks. What squeaked?
Might be the oven.
The oven's... My father-in-law brought some over.
He's been reading the comments. Your voices are being heard.
It was the dying smoke detector.